In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Vinted. Whether you're on a computer or a mobile browser, the process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it with a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your browser and going directly to vinted.com. Type it into the address bar and press enter. Take a second to confirm you're on the official site. Look for the secure padlock icon next to the URL and the exact domain. This simple check protects you from lookalike pages and keeps your account safer. When the Vinted homepage loads, look to the top right corner and select Login. On a smaller screen, you may need to tap the menu icon first, then choose Login from the menu. That opens the sign-in screen with multiple options, so you can pick what's most convenient for you. For the fastest route, you can continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook. These buttons authenticate you with an account you already use and then connect you to Vinted. Choose the same provider you originally used when creating your Vinted account. That consistency helps Vinted recognize you immediately. A small pop-up may ask for permission, review the details, and confirm. If your provider prompts for two-step verification, complete that as usual. Also, double-check you're signed into the correct Google, Apple, or Facebook profile in your browser to avoid logging into the wrong account or creating a separate one by mistake. If you prefer the traditional way, select the email option. Enter the email address associated with your Vinted account and your password, taking a moment to watch for typos. Passwords are case sensitive, and many browsers offer a show toggle while you type so you can verify each character. Once everything looks correct, click Log In. If your account was originally created with a social login, it's best to keep using that same method for the smoothest experience. A few quick tips as you sign in: keeping your browser up to date improves security and compatibility, and a trusted password manager can help prevent errors. On shared or public devices, avoid saving your credentials and remember to sign out when you're finished. If you ever have trouble accessing your account, use the recovery options on the login page provided by Vinted. And that's it, you're logged into Vinted. You should now see your homepage where you can browse listings, check your messages, and manage your profile. Rewind any part if you'd like to review, and you'll be logging in confidently every time.